Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your graphics card on MSI Cyborg 15. The easiest way to do it is simply right-clicking on the taskbar, then going to Task Manager, and in the Task Manager open this tab, which is a Performance tab. Now, most probably you'll see two GPUs, and one of them is better than the other one. So like I can see that my GPU one is the worst one because it is the Intel GPU. So I know that it's just integrated into my CPU because, you know, I also have the Intel CPU, so it's just the onboard graphics, which is worse but more energy efficient, whereas this GPU 0 is from Nvidia, and Nvidia GPUs are typically the dedicated ones, which are actually much better, have much higher performance, and are good for gaming but may use more power. So you can find that and also find other data about your GPU, like for example dedicated GPU memory and shared GPU memory, total GPU memory, how much of it is used currently, the utilization, the driver version, driver date and stuff like that. The temperature can be found here sometimes. Then for GPU 1 I also have a few options, I think that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.